Hi, welcome back. I've got a question posted on the YouTube feed from Rian actually, and Rian asked about working out the number of hours, minutes, and seconds for a given number of days. So here's a bit of code up here. What we've done is similar to on the last ones, we've declared variables, but this time we've declared days, hours, minutes, and seconds. Days is what we're going to enter, so that is an integer because we're going to enter a whole number of days. And then what it's going to do, it's going to work out how many hours. So it's going to take the number of days and it's going to times it by 24 hours in a day. And then for the minutes, it's going to take the hours and it's going to times that by 60. And then it's going to take, to work out the seconds, it's going to take the minutes and it's going to time them by 60. And then what we're going to print as our output, we are going to print, and then we're going to work out the hours, minutes, and seconds. And we're going to say in however many days, which has been declared up here, there are the following, and then we will pull each of those variables out. Okay, so we'll just run that and we'll see what it does. Okay, I'm just going to put in 20 and hit 20, and it comes up and it's got the number of days we've added, and it works out how many hours, how many minutes, and how many seconds. Now what we could do to make this code a bit better, actually, what we should get in habit to as well, now our code's getting a bit bigger, we should put our comments in. So what I'm going to type in here, I'm going to say, let's say variables have been declared. Okay, and then under all these ones, put the hashtag in because hashtag doesn't get picked up by the when the code is compiled, so it ignores those lines, gets stripped out. I'm just going to put above is our output. Cool, if I can spell output might help. Okay, also to kind of make this a bit better, what we could do is, because at the moment when we actually ran it, it all pretty much came through instantaneously. So what I'm going to do now, we haven't introduced modules yet, but I'm just going to put this one in now. So we're going to import a piece of pre-built code, and I'm going to import time, which is a module, which is already in there. And what I'm going to do is with the output, I'm going to delay the output a little bit each time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in time, which will call the module that we've just imported, and inside that there is one called sleep. I'm going to sleep it for a second, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that and I'll paste it in. Okay, don't need to do the last one. Okay, so now when we run it, we'll do exactly the same as we did before. We'll run the piece of code. Again, it's going to ask us how many days. I put in 20 again. And I hit enter, and we'll see that there is a second delay between each one. We can test it out and see which way changing it. Okay, we'll run it again. Get that longer delay. 20 seconds. Oh, sorry, 2 seconds. 20 days. So now there's 2 seconds between each one, and it gives us our output. Again, if anybody else has got any questions or ones they want me to go through, just post them on the site, and what I'll do is do my best to get those videos up as quick as I can. Again, if you subscribe, you'll get notifications when the new videos are uploaded, and I will try and over the next few weeks try and at least get one up a day. Okay, cheers.